What is going on, superstars? I'm super excited to have you here at this moment. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 steps that you should implement so that you can learn how to scalp Volatility 75 index. If you really want to master the Volatility 75 index scalping strategy, make sure to stick around with me up to the end to understand all 4 steps that I will be sharing with you. And if you really want to know how you can grow your small account from $5, $10, $50 up to over $10,000, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell to be notified at any time when I will be releasing a new video about killer strategy, guys. So without wasting time, let us dive into the video of today, guys. So step number 1, how you will find the best setups in the market. Step number 2, I'm going to show you the best time frame to use to start scalping Volatility 75 index. Step number 3, I'm going to show you how to get the best sniper entries, guys. Step number 4, I'm going to share with you how you can implement risk management. So without taking further note, let us go to the chart and I show you a step-by-step process. Step number 1 is to show you how to find a best setups, guys. So we are live on the chart, guys. This is Volatility 75. I'm going to show you how you can find the best setup in the market, guys. So we are going to stick around about this area, guys. So let me highlight this area. We can start our journey, guys. So now we have highlighted the area which we are going to focus on. Now the market has been moving like this, as you see. So we are going to focus around this black zone, guys. This black area is which we are going to be focusing on only, so that we can find our setups. So how to find the setup, guys? First and foremost, what you have to do when you reach the market, go to daily time frame. This is a daily time frame chart, guys. When you reach on a daily time frame, what do you have to do to find the direction of the market? Get your trend line, connect this low and connect another low. This is the previous low and another recent previous low. Connect them downwards like this, get your trend line and connect them, and then duplicate that to upwards to make a support. So after doing that, this is what we call market analysis. We have got direction of our market. We see now the market is moving upward. So let us go to H4 and we see what is there. On H4, guys, also the market is making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, guys. So let us say the market is around this area, guys, is around this place. So if we find the market is around this place, what we have to do, we have reached in H4. We keep doing the same thing, we keep repeating. This is how we find the setup, guys. We are in H4. We connect this recent low high and this. So this is our setup, and then we are assuming the market is around this zone, have not yet broke. So we have find this setup. Now this is how we find the setup, but unfortunately the setup is on H4. What we have to do, we go now. We have seen the market is the overall direction in the daily. The market is going up. The market is going up, and we have find the setup, a pattern in H4. That is how we find our best setup. The market has not yet broken. Now it is around this zone. So what we have to do, we have got the pattern in H4, which means we have to wait the market to break this. But this is in H4. We're diving to H1. We have to do to adjust our lines to see that we have not cut any candle, guys. We connect week to the week, so we adjust our setup to be clear so that we don't sabotage anything, so that has increased the viewing. And we see, we can see, do we have any another trend line? No, we see the H1, we are still on the same zone. So what we have to do, we go to minute 15, guys. Alright, guys, we are in minute 15. We see, guys, there is something. We have got another new setup, guys. So we can connect these two lows here, guys. We have got another setup. Inside of the setup, we can do like this. We can do like this, guys. We connect also this, the recent ones. You can connect this one, or we connect this. Let us go with this one to get a good arch rate, guys. So let us go with this. We make adjust here. This is our best setup. We have got all our market analysis from daily, and we got the overall trend. Now we are looking the buy. We have our setup. Our setup is done. This is the way how we find the setup, guys. So let us go to another step. Step number 2 is which is the best time frame to trade. So let us go back to daily. Daily time frame, it is for showing us the overall direction where the market is heading. That is the region of daily, weekly and monthly, to get the overall direction of the market. That is the region of the daily. H4, we use H4 to find the pattern. We use H4 to find the pattern in the market, or to find the trend inside the overall trend, so that we can trade that trend going to the same direction of the daily trend. The daily trend is going up, which means we are looking the patterns for us to buy. We don't sell. We are looking the patterns for us to buy. So H4 helping us to get the pattern. We have got our pattern in H4, as you can see this. So we dive into H1. When you reached in H1, so this is the downtrend in H4 and in H1. Also in H1 we got as a same pattern. So when we reach in H1, we make adjustment to get a clear picture of the pattern which we got in H4, and then we diving into minute 15, and then we diving into minute 15. In minute 15 we also find another pattern, guys. We find our setup in minute 15. The best setups always appear in minute 5 and minute 15, guys. That is where we always find the best setup. Why? Because overall trend will be in a daily and H4, and in daily, then the H4 will show us the pattern, guys, or a little trends, guys. So we diving in to see in H1 to make adjustments, and then we go to minute 15 to get our clear setup, guys. So if you come here, see, this is our best setup, guys. We wait to see what will happen as we are looking to take a buy. So what will be the next the market to show us for us to take a buy? We have already got a setup. You can continue, go in minute 5 to confirm you setup. And see everything, guys. The pattern is looking at the same as we saw it on minute 15, guys. So we have nothing to add on minute 5. You can add something like this. You can make adjustment. Your setup to be okay. You can make adjustment like this so that you don't cut any wick. Yeah, that is the setup. What we have, we are waiting the market to react on our setup, and then we follow. So when to execute the market, we execute the market on minute 1 and minute 5. Okay, guys, our next step, I'm going to be showing you how you can get sniper entry, guys. First and foremost, what you have to understand on your mind is that if you are getting a sniper entry, what you have to do to go on daily time frame, as like how we have been doing our market analysis. So what you have to do, after going in the daily time frame, you know exactly where the market is going. So our setup, our market was going up. We are looking the buy entry. So what we have to do to get a sniper entry after doing your all market analysis? The next step, what you have to do to diving in directly to H1. What you have to do when you reach on H1, you have to find the sniper zones where the market have decided to make a U-turn. How to find the best zone? You find the best zone when you see the market was making the lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. This is the aggressive U-turn which was happened. So what you have to do, you find the last bearish candle, the last bearish candle. This is our last bearish candle. What you have to do, you highlight from the high of that candle, including its wicks, and then the lowest of that candle, guys. So like this is our interested zone, So we highlight this. After highlighting that, we wait the market to come and tap into our interesting zone or our sniper zone. H1 last selling candle. If we are looking to buy, H1 last buying candle if we are looking to sell. As our setup showed us, we are looking the buys, so we have to look the sniper entry. We are going to be taking the buys opportunities only, as you know, guys. This is our zone. We have already find our sniper zone, guys. We have to wait the market. You can remember our setup. We already got our setup. So what we have to do to get counter-attack zone? The counter-attack zone, this is our zone, guys. Let us dive into minute 15, and I so you best interesting. if you can't really master this sniper entry, guys, you will never make money from the forex trading, guys. You know, guys, before I show you what the next step, I want you to keep in mind something, that if you are using 10 strategies, it will help the market makers to smash your account. If you are using 10 strategies, you will fueling the marketers to grab your money. I'm not joking, this is serious. So the black zone, the black trend line, it is our counter zone, because the market have been running around our sniper zone. You see this green. Oh, this is what the fucking color is that? As usual. Okay, so after this is our counter zone. So what we have to do here, we wait in minute 5 or minute 15, and then when the market cross over this, and then minute 15 or minute 5 close above our counter zone, and then boom, shabas, buy. Exactly, put you buy around this area, guys, and then you stop loss should be low, guys. So that is how we catch up our sniper entry, guys. So let us dive into next step. Our last step, guys, is how to risk management. Risk money management, it means that how much are you ready to lose and how much are you ready to gain. Guys, if you are going to lose $10, which means you should be at least gaining $20. That is how we manage our risk and money management, guys. If you having $100 account, and then you are going to lose 50% of that money, which means you are not managing your money, guys. You are risking a lot. And the risk to reward, that is a risk to reward ratio, it is you are losing 1% and you are gaining 3%, you are gaining 2%, guys. If you are gaining 2%, which means if you are losing 1% and you're gaining 2%, 1% is equal to the other risk what you risked, and then the next percent, the second percent, it is you profit. But which means if you are first trade kick the stop loss, the next trade hit you TP2, which means you have covered up your TP. Guys, my best killer strategy, WTB, guys, what I'm from teaching you right now, what I have been sharing with you right now is what it does, guys. We are risking one risk, we gain 2 or we gain 3, sometimes we gain 5, sometimes we can gain over than 5, guys. So you can see this setup as we quote it in a sniper entry, or if it was not a sniper entry, guys, also we have gained more than 2, more than 3, guys, and the sniper entry has gained more than 5, almost like 10. It have not reached to 10, it has almost like 7. So let us count. How to risk money management I have already explained to you. So let us risk, we see risk to reward ratio, guys. This was our entry zone here, and this is our stop loss, this is our TP1, and this is our TP2, guys. Of course, we have been approximately hitting. I know no one can see the money reach here, and then you wait, it comes again, and then you see it have come back, made a double top, and then you keep holding. You think that the market will hit the tip. Of course, if it's me, I would have been already closed it, guys. And we are scalping, we are not swinging here, guys. Even you have almost like took a day still holding, we already intermediate the trade, and then we come at the trade, we are scalper, guys. You know, yani, let us say that to see that you have hold this setup like this, you are a man, guys, for sure. You are a man. You are a man. So let us count. We have, if from here our entry, from here our entry zone, if we count that and to the stop loss, we see that is almost $7. We are going to lose $7. So from the entry to the TP1, we see having 15. We have $15, 150 pips, almost 160 pips. So 160, guys, divided by 2. 160 divided by 2. Are you getting? We are losing $7. These are $15, almost 16. Are you getting? We have already gained 2. TP1, TP2. You can see we're having $42, almost 43. That is 426 pips, guys. Are you getting the point? So if you're having $100 and then you took 0.0012 entries, guys, here you closed the $15 and you are on break even, and you hold up to this area, guys. How much have you took? $39, almost 40. When you reach here, exactly, if you closed here, let us say you hold the TP hit and then it failed, and have come back and it drew down, and then it comes again exactly here, you closed at the $40. The next trade, $40 plus $15, those are $55. $55 minus $14, which means you have got 40. Let us count $40. How much have you gained? That is, what is that risk to reward ratio? You divide $40. You divide. Let us see. Yes. How much is this? That is 15 plus 40. That is 55. 55 divided by 14. And then you will get the risk to reward you have gained, guys. So that is how we risk. That's how we manage our money, guys. If you have the strategy, if you see the strategy which does not show you where to put your stop loss, where to take your profit, that is not a strategy. A best strategy should be showing you where to put your stop loss and where to take your profit, guys. That is a killer, vibe, killer massive strategy for milking the market, guys. So if you really have got something interesting from this video, make sure to click the subscribe button so that you don't need to miss anytime when I will be releasing a new killer strategy, guys, because I always have a hot pancake, awesome, sweetest information, guys, which I always release to you. I'm here to help you. The goal of this YouTube channel to help other traders so that we can all grow. My goal is to help 1 million traders. So if you have not yet subscribe to our channel so that we can grow our community until we hit our 1 million subscribers. Any subscribe you see, we have reached on the mark of 600 subscribers. Thanks so much, trader, to subscribe. Thanks so much for supporting each other. Thanks so much for growing this community. Let us grow. The more we subscribe, the more other people they will get this information. The more you subscribe, the more you help other traders outside there. Let us all learn. Let us all grow together, guys. So make sure to subscribe and share this channel. It's not for me, it's not for you, but it's for other people. It's for all of us so that we can learn together, we grow together, so that we raise up our future, so that we can help our family and our people, because we are here we are here to make the money. We are here to change our lives of people who we are living with, guys. So I learned trading, and I started trading, guys, to help my family, my people, my kids, and my parents, guys, and to change my life. After that, I decided to change my other fellow friends, my other fellow work pattern, my other fellow traders, guys. Learn. After learning, implement. Make sure, guys, what you have learned, don't go live on your trading account, guys. First and back test. Don't back test at one time, guys. Don't back test at one time. What I have shown you today, tomorrow you will see it and the market come against you, guys. Always trade, put your stop loss, because this is a high risk business, guys, and it is a game of probability. There is no one who can master, guys. All our best information which we are sharing with you, what we are teaching you, guys, it's not a guarantee for 100 winning rate, guys. It always stop loss get hit. But the good thing of our killer strategy, if you lose 3 times you will gain, and then you will make a huge profit. Let us say you have lost first round, you lost your $14, and then you took another round again, guys, you lose $14, and then we took this setup and you read it up. You read it up. Are you getting? You lost $14 at the first, and then you take another entry, you lose it $14. Those are 4 plus 4, those are 8, then 10 plus 10, those are $28. And then you took another 2 entries, you read them add up, guys, and then you make $80. $80 minus 4 minus what? Minus $28. Okay, let us say $80 minus $30. You have remained with $50, guys. That is the power of our WT strategy, guys. So make sure to not miss to learn more our sniper entry killer strategy, guys. Watch those videos which are coming up on the screen. See you to the next episode. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.